Hello, today I'm going to be recapping another system here. This is a Dell Dimension at 9150 or XPS 400. It's the same system. And this has two bad capacitors right in there. I guess I don't know how well that can be seen, but two bad caps. So I'm going to replace those before it takes out the rest of the system. So let's get this set up. Okay, so I've now got the board out, and you can see the two capacitors right there and how they are bulging. Hopefully you can see that. So time to pull them off. It's going to be these two right here. So I will grab some flux and get those. Just using an old soldering iron tip as the way I'm applying the flux, which I find kind of funny. Maybe I'm the only one that does. Okay, that's there. I'll then take my actual solder, my solder spool here, and get the iron ready. Let's see here. Okay, I think that's good. That ready. Okay, and now for the part everyone loves. Let's see how fast I can get this done. Hopefully pretty darn fast. Pretty much all I can do is hope for that. Okay. Going after this first one here. Just make sure that's getting on there. Nice, good connection. Yep. And just going to pull that just like that. What I've done is I've actually pulled the capacitor at an angle. Now the focus is out, but just bear with me. Now if I actually get rid of that extra there, go on here, same thing, just wiggling it out. It will now be more or less straight. I'll try to get this in a more accessible light here, kind of like that. That can be seen well. I don't know. Not very well. I'm just a bit too close to the camera. I'll try to do it nonetheless. What I'm doing is I'm getting the iron on there. And with the iron on there, I should be able to pull that. There we go. With the iron on, that's all I'm doing. And there, it fell off. It's actually just to make my life a little easier when I go to put it back through, so I don't have to move as much through. And just like that, that's off. Okay. What I'm going to do now is take this capacitor. This will be a quick round, now that this motherboard's not totally acting up. And should go in just like that. Maybe I'll do what I did last time. I kind of try to go in from the top. I don't know. Is that what I want to do? I guess I can. a connection there. And with any luck, there we go. That one's popped its way through. Time for the other side. My iron's actually on the wrong end. Guess you won't be able to see that perfectly, but we'll try. Okay, there we go. Both entered on there just fine. I'll now flip that over to do it from the back side. Rocking it back and forth just like before. I'm not going to block the iron. I'm going to even try to do both of them at once, although I don't know if I have the power. Oh, look at that, I do. And I don't think I'm going to get that any further in because it's all the way in. I'll try to do it on this side though. Okay, and that's it for that one. Bend those leads out. And boom, that's been replaced. Time for the next one. Yeah, we should probably start with the back, but I will. Okay. Okay. And that's in. Now, time for this side. Same deal. I'm going from right about here. Boom. You could leave it like that if you wanted to, but I don't want to. And pull these both through here. And go for that side. Now for that side. Come on. You need more solder. Okay, and hopefully that's enough to get that connection going. Oh, it's hooked up a little bit. And pull it out, just not back through. Come on. There we go. Okay. I believe that's not actually going through. I'm going to try to do it from this side, I guess. Oddly enough, that's how it wants to do it, so that's how I'll do it. And we'll play its game. I've got nothing better to do. Okay, and almost there. Boom, we're in. Alright, cool, and just like that, got 2 new capacitors in there, installed correctly, hopefully. I did test this board before I put it into here. Just want to get that one in place. So we'll now cut the leads off, get the solder. It's still in view, that's good. Okay. Not quite where I want it. Okay, that's how I want it. You don't want a cold solder joint because that's not going to do you much good. You gotta get a nice good joint on there. I'm really hoping that's going to be a nice good joint. That one's not. I can tell that much. Okay. Awesome. And I think that's it right there. I guess I'll clean off the bottom there. You can see it's nice and dirty. Spray that down. Let's try to clean that right off there. See, that's now pretty dirty. Same thing, just try to pull that right off. I don't have the best tools for cleaning here. Just an old toothbrush. That's pretty much it. And hopefully, if I'm not entirely mistaken, see the paint on my desk coming up there. Oh well. There we go. So then recapped. Now time to test it. Right there. Let's see how it looks. Pull that off there. I think that looks pretty decent. Alright, time to test it out. Right, going to test this out okay, right here. I don't see any fire. That's a good sign. Try to start it up. Posting. There it is. Enter the setup and see what it's going to complain about. There's no hard drive plugged in, so I guess we'll just see here. Okay, system info. There's the RAM drives. Yeah, that's going to be wrong. Yeah, so it's all there. I'm gonna change out the CPU soon, but so far it seems to work. Guess we'll see.